Hi, welcome back. Let's learn how to securely change the local hostname on your Mac. Your Mac's local hostname is the name it uses to identify itself on your local network. It's commonly used for services such as file sharing, airdrop, screen sharing, and remote logging, making it easier for other devices to recognize and connect to your Mac. If you have changed your Mac's name or want a more recognizable network identity, updating the local hostname is a quick and simple process. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first you have to launch the System Settings app on your Mac. And then you have to choose the general option located in the left sidebar. And then you have to choose the setting option located on the right side. Then you have to hit Edit in the local hostname section at the bottom of the window and enter a new local hostname. If needed, make sure to turn on Use Dynamic Global Hostname option. In the end, make sure to hit the OK option to confirm the action, and that's about it. It's worth pointing out that if your Mac has the exact name of another Mac on your local network, a number is added to the local network name. And if your computer name is not recognized by Bonjour, the local network name is Macintosh.local. After changing your Mac's local hostname, your computer will appear with a new network identifier when accessed over your local network. This can make it easier to distinguish your Mac from other devices, especially in homes, offices, or shared environments with multiple computers. And if you ever want to use a different hostname, you can return to the same settings and update it again. Choosing a simple, unique hostname also helps avoid network conflicts and makes local connections more convenient. Now that you know how it works, make the most of it as and when the need arrives, and I'll catch you up in the next one.